Thank you. All right, brother.
Did you say $3 for that?
How about 4?
Got it. Hey, welcome to the very first YouTube video for Rhode Island Picker. My name is Rich Antonelli, and this is kind of a new venture for me. Short story, when I was younger, like really young, my grandfather and uncle used to take me all the time to yard sales, garage sales, swap meets, flea markets. And I remember, I had a really good time back then, and it's been a long, long time. I'm not going to tell you how old I am, but it's been a really long time. And I just recently, with this whole pandemic we're going through, I'm a musician. I play in a band, and all my band shows are canceled for the rest of this year. If you're watching this, 2 years down the line, this is right now, today, we're in July of 2020. And so all my band shows have been canceled, and I'm losing a ton of money from that. Do some landscaping on the side. That's dried up because people are still home, not working, don't have the money. So they're taking care of their own lawns, which is totally understandable. So I've been looking for something else. I have other stuff that I do too, but I've been looking for something else, kind of a hobby way of making a little extra money. And I figured, why not, start going to these yard sales and trying to find stuff and then, selling them on eBay or putting them on Facebook Marketplace. And I came up with this concept. It's not a new concept. There's tons of guys, YouTube channels doing the same exact thing. But I figured it'd be fun, maybe get my kids involved in it at some point. But this is the first video, and I went to my first 3 yard sales yesterday. Today's Monday morning. You're going to see what I found, and there's a Facebook page. You can look up Rhode Island Picker, and Instagram, Rhode Island Picker. I'll post the photos on both of those and maybe some eBay links, and once I get it all going. But welcome, pass this channel on. I appreciate the support. If you do like it, subscribe, hit that bell so you're notified every time I put up a new video, and let's move along. Thanks. All right, off to the very first inaugural, I guess you'd call it yard sale. And it might be a flea market that I can check out too. Heading into Chepachet, Rhode Island. And yeah, there's a couple that are pretty close to each other, so we're gonna try those out and we'll see what we find. How are you? Do you know if this works?
I don't, but you know what? If you want to take it for a buck, it's probably worth the try.
I'll take it for a buck.
It's been in my basement, since the rock days.
Yeah.
I don't know if...
I'll take a chance.
Who knows? All right.
Thanks.
Brother, thank you. Yeah, anything on that table is $1, the box. If you see something here, you want to talk about, we'll talk.
Yep. Over there.
There, or whatever you want to call it.
Nice day, huh?
Beautiful day. Finally, I've been waiting to do this.
Yeah.
I said, I'm going today. It's not raining. I'm going today. We're getting out there. We are going to be kind of out here a lot selling stuff because we're cleaning out, and as we clean, we're just doing this.
Cool.
$42 on that bowl if you want.
One for the teddy paws. I don't feel like cutting the new puppy's nails.
Oh yeah. Yeah, if you could get them started early with it, they're fine with it.
He's all
Yeah. Just to get that edge off. Yeah.
And this comes with usually there's probably like a few
No, he's got no.
Yeah, this one he'll just lay there. It doesn't bother him.
Yeah, it's like one of those things when if they're young and you start him with, so I'm fine with it. But
Right, he's already
our
12
guy
years
would need
old,
to,
he's already potty trained.
all right, bud.
Did you say $3 for that?
How about 4?
Got it.
Oh, I'm glad that thing probably works. Yeah. I got that from a woman, like she just was like getting rid of stuff, and I'm like, all right, I'll take it. I think she paid like $13 for
Cool.
it. The slip is in there or something.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Well, good luck.
All right.
I'll check back.
Yeah. Like I said, we're gonna be doing this, like, you know, kind of clearing things out.
Yep.
You know, it's gonna probably be some antiques. It'll be this. It'll be that. So.
Cool. Thanks. All right, here we go to the second one. The first one was unexpected. This was one of the original ones that I was going to. So we'll see. Hi. Not bad, you? Hey, buddy. Oops. How much for the Snoopy? That you get the Snoopy doll that you have over there?
$1 for that.
I'll take both of them.
What's that?
I'll take this and
Okay,
the
sure.
Snoopy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You want a bag?
Nah, it's fine.
Okay.
I'm just gonna look a little more here.
Sure.
I want them still.
Wait, they don't fit. Well, they might fit you very tight.
Don't fit them.
Any farmhouse type stuff? Like old rusted stuff? Farmhouse? No, not really. I mean, no. Hi, baby. Aren't you gorgeous? Ah, smell like kitty? Not really. We have a couple like yeah. All right. Thank you. We had a lot more yesterday morning. But did you really? I've been adding stuff here and there, but. All right. Thank you. Yep.
Slippery.
You're welcome. We have
I don't even know how many's there.
It's $10.
Getting hot. Thanks.
Yep. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Yep, you too. You want a bag now or? You
Nah, I can just throw it in the truck.
Sure.
How you doing? How much for this stuff?
Everything's $1.
Oh, cool. Let's see. You don't have any video games, do you?
No, I had some
You
this
had some,
morning,
yeah.
and like even before 8 o'clock, someone was here and bought.
Got 5 things here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
All right, so we just hit 3, the first 3. One was unexpected. Got some cool stuff. Basically paid $1 for most of it. And you know, I checked a few things on eBay and should be able to make a little bit of money just getting started here. So it's going to be kind of a learning experience, and we'll see how we do. Once I get everything home and put away, I got to set up an area in my basement to actually do all this stuff. I don't want to do it in my studio, my music studio, because it's already crammed in there as it is. So once I like really dig into the stuff, I mean, the DVDs that are basically $1 each, I think they're a little less than $1. I might have to bundle those as a lot, just to make a few bucks on them. I looked up those. It really depends. Some sell for a couple of bucks. Some sell for, you know, $6, $7, $8. So I guess you just got to get lucky on those. But I want to check out that Snoopy and the Logitech review thing that I got, because I saw a couple of the Logitech things on there for like selling for like $30, and I just paid, I believe I paid $10. So
in 1 mile at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Putton Pike.
I don't know why I have that on, because I know where I'm going right now, but yeah, so we'll see what we got, and it's a start, right? And what I got yesterday, we'll start over here. And most of the stuff was $1. Iron Man size small, obviously kids 4 to 6, $1 still in the package. Got a couple of these Kissing Booth signs for $1. I figure I might get like $5, $6, $7 out of each. I got 2 of them. Got this new table runner for Valentine's Day for $1. I mean, I'm not looking to make giant money off this stuff, but it should bring something. And the more you have selling, the better it is. The West Bend 18 cup drip coffee maker. I looked this up on YouTube. On eBay. Some completed ones, auctions look like they were going anywhere from $20 to $30, and I paid $4 for that one. The guy wanted 4 instead of 3. Bunch of DVDs. I'm probably gonna stock up on these and then just sell them as lots. I got this poker set. They're just chips, but when I looked on eBay, paid $1 for that. They were going anywhere from $10 to $20 for that box, which is kind of funny, but it is what it is. The Snoopy, I think that was $1 too. I can probably get maybe $10, $15 out of that. Here's that wah pedal, the very first thing I bought. The guy must have lost the bottom to it. You got the battery thing hanging out there. He wasn't sure if it worked, but for $1, I figured I'd try it. I have plenty of ways to try it here in the studio. And if it doesn't work, it might be an easy fix, or I can just sell it as parts. This is the exact model that I used to use, so I'm familiar with it. And then lastly, I got the Logitech Review Google TV. I got to see what's in this box, because if it has all of the parts, I've seen it selling for $30 to $40, and I believe I paid $10 for that. So can make a pretty good commission off of that. So that's not bad for the first day. Yeah, I'm back in my studio. So I got a bunch of stuff in the house too, that we had a yard sale last year, and stuff that didn't sell. I know there's like a Smurfette from the Smurfs, a vintage lunchbox down in my basement. I got a bunch of stuff up in the attic, so I'm gonna probably just see what I got, and I'll just list all the stuff on eBay, and then you might see me do videos in the future showing what sold, how much it sold for, you know, what I paid for it. Pretty much what all the guys do on these videos. So I'm not breaking new ground here, but I'm gonna try to have some fun at this. So I'll see you next time. I'm hoping to get to some yard sales this coming weekend. I'm gonna try every week to go to at least one yard sale if I can, or a flea market, and then put up a video. So hopefully you enjoyed this first one, and I appreciate if you subscribe and share the heck out of this thing. And I'll see you next time. Take care.